Good evening, audience. We are back with our series of webinars. We conducted a couple of series to keep you engaged in the current lockdown situation, and we had a few sessions last week, and now we are back with our few more sessions. So today, the session, as you all know, is by leading university, Bennett University. Uh, and the topic for the webinar today is how Bennett University can help you shape your future and your career. We have with us an eminent panelist, Mr. Ashish Dua, who's the chief manager at the Bennett University, and he's going to help us understand what are the kind of skills that are required to shape our career, and what are the needfuls, and how Bennett University and the kind of courses and the new milieu can help us all understand how we can make a strong career. So I'd like to welcome Mr. Ashish Dua, and I would request him to take us through the whole journey.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kriti, ma'am. So I really like this initiative of yours. I think somehow within this lockdown period, we need to stay positive and look to opportunities where we can learn more. And I think you are doing a great job. I congratulate you and your team for that. And so, am I properly audible, visible to you and everybody? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So, coming directly to this topic, how Bennett University can help you shape your career. And when it comes to career, right, we can certainly talk about Bennett University later. But it is important to understand what is going to happen to our careers, few years from now, right? What is the career going to be few years from now? That is the most important thing. So what I'll do, I'll keep a mix of English plus Hindi, right? So I'll request that all of us ask questions through chat option rather than me speaking, right? Rather than having a monologue kind of a session. Let's interact, let's talk, let's make the best use of this opportunity. So as and when you feel like asking me questions, you can certainly post it, and I'm sure Kirti man will help us raise that question. So so we'll proceed. So first thing which I want to ask all of you is a poll which will come on your screen now is, have you heard of Bennett University? How many of you have heard of Bennett University? So just please respond to this.
So you can all respond to the poll which is there in front of you. And we're collecting responses. As soon as we're done collecting responses, we would close the poll.
Yeah.
Yeah, 70% of the audience has attempted the poll. I'll just wait for a few more seconds before closing the poll.
Right.
Okay, so we close the poll, sir.
Yes.
And we have 100% yes out of the people who have voted.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know that most of you know us, like rather all of you know us. So that's something which makes it easy for me. And I would like to understand a bit more about you. And the next question comes to you now, which is about your class. Which class you are in currently?
So we've just asked a question in the poll that, are you in class 12 right now?
Yeah.
We would just request you to be prompt in participating in the poll, because that helps us understand you better and connect with the audience better.
Yeah. So quick responses.
We would be closing the poll. Yeah, we would be closing the poll in the next 10 seconds. Okay, closing the poll. So 80% of the audience says they are in class 12.
Okay. And I have already given you 2 polls, one last poll, and then we'll be back to PPT. Because the purpose is to understand whom I am talking to. Somehow through this medium, we need to take help of these polls. So the next question is which stream you are in, whether you are in a non-medical, medical, commerce, humanities, which stream you are in.
So we have a quick poll on as a third question in front of you. So the science students who are taking mathematics could select the non-medical, and the science students with biology could select the medical. Even if you're a non-medical aspirant, medical just means a PCB combination. Great, I see quick responses coming in this time. We
Great.
would want the people who have not participated yet could just indicate your choices quickly so that we could wrap up the poll quickly. Okay, so closing the poll. It's a very healthy divide between humanities, commerce, and non-medical with a 29, 29, 29% each, and a medical of 14%.
So great. So we have a healthy mix today, right? So so what we are going to discuss today is relevant to all of you. And I can understand that I need to cater to all your requirements, be it commerce student, humanities. You come from PCB, BCM background. So with this knowledge, with this input, yeah, thank you all for being patient in answering those questions. So we'll proceed further now. So I was saying, Bennett University can help you shape your how we can help you shape your career. So it is important for us to understand what is the career going to be in times to come, right? And let us go to future, right? Let us go to future and try to understand what will be the situation. Uh, what will be the situation? I think there is a problem. What? Yeah. So can you see this slide, everybody?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the future? Just imagine what is going to happen on 1st January 2030. That means approximately 10 years after now. Uh, if you close your eyes and imagine, I can share few, maybe ideas as to how life will be in 2030. Most probably, rather, I'm sure humans would have landed on Mars, right? And then we'll be having self-driven cars. That means you'll not be driving car. There is something else driving your car, which is not even a driver. We all hire these days. It will be a self-driven car, right? 2030. And then very important thing, robots and human working together. So this will be a reality. So it will not be you and your colleague working together. It will be a robo working together with you. So this is 2030, and even there are few things which maybe I cannot capture, but this is the future going to be. And what are the careers of today? What are the careers which students are selecting these days, or their jobs are coming up? Then these are the careers of today, right? So you can be biotechnologist, you can be a digital media professional, you can be an environmentalist, IPR expert. So I'm sure you must have heard a bit about these kind of careers today. These are in a lot of demand these days, and they are coming up big. And what are the careers of tomorrow? What will happen tomorrow? I think this is nobody's guess. Neither I can guess nor you can guess what will happen tomorrow. What kind of jobs will come? We are living in that kind of era where we cannot even predict what will happen after 2 years, right? So future of careers is a guess which maybe I get it right or I may not get it right. So what do we do? What do we do as a student who is in class 12th in 2020? You may be completing, your graduation after 3, 4, 5 years. 2025, 24, you'll be completing your graduation and you'll be into job market. You'll be looking for opportunities. So what do we do in this kind of a career, in this kind of environment where we don't know what kind of jobs will be there, right? So I want to reaffirm everybody that yes, all of us will have a good career. All of us will have a good career if we have some fundamental skills, right? Some fundamental skills which all companies are looking for, will keep looking for. These fundamental skills will be required by all of us, whether you come from humanities, commerce, or maybe sciences stream. So these are the fundamental skills which are important. And to make it easy for you, what we have done is to put it as an acronym called success, right? So success is SUCCESS. Remember this. And so what are the skills that are required through acronym I'm trying to explain you. So stands for solution orientation. That means your mind should work in finding solutions rather than finding problems. Companies are looking for people who have solution orientation. Then U stands for upgradation. That means you are able to upgrade yourself regularly. Then C stands for communication. That means you're able to put across your point in an effective manner. Then C is collaboration. Collaboration, in other words, is teamwork. Team में काम कर सके, right? Then E is entrepreneurial approach. Entrepreneurial approach का मतलब क्या है कि आप एक businessman की तरह सोच सकें, एक business person की तरह सोच सकें. Then S, smartness. Smartness is कि आपको सिर्फ अपने डोमेन की नॉलेज नहीं हो, आपको बाकी डोमेन की नॉलेज भी हो. If you are a medical student, you must be having a knowledge of, say, business studies also. You must be having a knowledge of humanities also, right? So smartness. And then finally, S, strong ethics and value. So this right from class first, I think when you were in school, admitted in school, this is one thing which is emphasized कि ethics, values, honesty बहुत important है. So मैं आपको ये suggest करूँगा, remember this, success is the buzzword. Success is most important. That is solution orientation, upgradation, communication, collaboration, entrepreneurial approach, smartness, strong ethics and values. I'll touch upon these skills a bit, in next few slides, right? So solution orientation. Now, what does it mean? Like, there are so many problems around us. If you look around, बहुत problem है हमारे आसपास जिनको solve करना है, right? These days we are facing this COVID-19 problem, and government is doing a lot of stuff so that we were able to solve this problem. So companies are looking for people who can solve problems. Like one important problem as a country we always face is that we don't win enough medals in Olympics, right? तो क्या कर सकते हैं ओलंपिक्स में और better हम perform कर सकें, right? So all of us can think about this, like what all can be done. Maybe get better coaches, better infrastructure, trainer players better. School level पे हम sportsmen को ढूंढें, right? So these are the problems which you can pick and solve. This is what companies are looking for, your mind which works on finding solutions. Then constant upgradation and learning. अभी 2020 में ये जो जॉब्स ये आप देख पा रहे हैं, ये 2020 की टॉप जॉब्स हैं, 2019 2020 की, which is Android developer, social media executive, cloud service specialist. 2020 की जॉब्स हैं. 2021 में कौन सी टॉप जॉब्स होंगी नहीं पता. 2030 में कौन सी टॉप जॉब्स होंगी नहीं पता. 2040 नहीं पता. which only means कि अब आने वाले टाइम में you will have to continuously upgrade yourself. आपको regularly learning करना पड़ेगा. Even if you are doing a formal degree, आप कोई BTech कर रहे हैं, BBA कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, कोई प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ आपको जिंदगी भर लर्निंग करनी पड़ेगी. कोई ये सोचे कि मैंने डिग्री कर ली है, now game is over, that will not work, right? You will have to continuously upgrade yourself. Then communication skills, all of you know that, very important. Listening and the soft skills which come with communication skill. कि listening skill अच्छी होनी चाहिए, फ्रेंडलीनेस होनी चाहिए, ओपन माइंडेड लोग होने चाहिए. देयर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु से कि ओके दिल्ली के लोग ऐसे होते हैं, कानपुर के लोग ऐसे होते हैं. दिस डजंट वर्क. Anybody can behave in a certain manner whether you belong to Kanpur or Delhi. Doesn't matter, right? So open-mindedness. Don't put blocks into your mind. Then your confidence, your feedback, whether you are eager to get feedback from others, your non-verbal communication, आप कैसे बात करते हैं, आपकी body language क्या है. These things are very important when it comes to your career development.
Correct.
Then collaboration, teamwork. So abhi tak you have been in school, you are currently in school or you have just passed out of school. तो स्कूल में क्या होता है, यू कैन चूज योर फ्रेंड्स, और यू आर स्टडिंग इन अ सेम स्कूल फॉर 5 ईयर 8 ईयर 10 ईयर्स. तो हमारे कंफर्ट बन जाती है अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कि ये मेरे फ्रेंड है. बट व्हेन यू गो फॉर अ जॉब, तो ज्यादातर वो लोग मिलते हैं जो हमें पसंद नहीं होते. दैट्स अ रियलिटी. द फर्स्ट पर्सन दैट यू मीट इज योर बॉस, एंड पीपल हार्डली लाइक देयर बॉस, राइट? सो यू हैव टू स्टिल वर्क विद देम. उनके साथ हमें काम करना पड़ता है, राइट? सो टीम वर्क इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Working in a team is very important. So I just want to share this picture with you. I hope all of you can see this. इस picture में क्या हो रहा है? This is a Formula One car. This is a Formula One car, and in the middle of the race, Formula One race चल रही है, और रेस के बीच में गाड़ी कॉकपिट पे आई है. पिट स्टॉप कहते हैं हम इसको. पिट स्टॉप पे गाड़ी आई है जिसमें गाड़ी के टायर चेंज होते हैं और गाड़ी में रिपेयर्स होती हैं, राइट? और ये टीम ये रिपेयर्स करती है. एंड लेट मी रिमाइंड यू, ये रेस के बीच में होता है, रेस के बीच में. नाउ आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू थ्रू द नेक्स्ट पोल विच इज कमिंग योर वे, ये जो टीम पूरा प्रोसेस करती है, ये कितनी देर में करती है, राइट? ये पूरे प्रोसेस को विद इन दी रेस, रेस चल रही है अभी, कितनी देर में ये प्रोसेस होता है? आई वांट यू गाइस टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस.
So you have a poll in front of you to mark how much time does the Formula One team take for refueling and changing of tires as a team? So you could mark your responses here. It's a quick question, and even if you don't know answers exactly, you could just send in what you think to respond so that we understand that what's your estimate.
Just select one response out of it as per your estimate, even if you don't know.
So majority of you have already marked your answers. I just want the rest of you to quickly share your responses. Okay, so we are closing the poll. The majority of people say 6 to 15 seconds.
Okay.
With the second highest answer coming in as less than 5 seconds.
Okay, so second highest is less than 5 seconds. So,
and the highest answer is 6 to 15 seconds.
Okay. So the right answer is, it is less than 5 seconds, which is the actual answer is 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds. So can you believe this, that car coming on a pit stop, 2 seconds ke andar tire change, all repairs done within 2 seconds. This happens, right? So this is a teamwork. This is a teamwork which companies are looking for. Which companies are looking for in their employees. Companies are looking for you, in future. So teamwork is very important, and it is very important to understand कि जब ये मान लो ये रेसर ये रेस को जीत लेते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट डे न्यूज में be it newspapers or media or everywhere, किसका नाम आएगा? It will be only the rider name. किस rider ने रेस को जीत लिया, not the team. Right? Similarly, companies want this kind of a commitment from all of you, that when you work for a company, you put aside your own personal priorities and try to give that growth to your own company. अपने personal interest से उठना होगा, right? So this is the kind of teamwork or collaboration which companies are looking for. Then entrepreneurial approach or innovation. So अभी you cannot work with a typical mindset कि सुबह 9 बजे घर से निकले, खाने का डब्बा लिया, शाम को 5 बजे घर आ जाए. ऐसी typical jobs अब नहीं होंगी, right? You have to think like a business person. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप business start करो, but then you have to think like a business person. कि business को कैसे expand करें, you should be able to give your inputs to the companies. This is what companies are looking for, right? Then smartness, as I shared earlier, smartness is very important. You should be having knowledge of all subjects, not only your own subjects. And then if you look at this elephant, there are few people standing close to elephant. Now there is somebody sitting on the elephant, there is somebody standing in front of elephant, there is somebody standing behind the elephant. तो जो जहां जहां पे है वो ये अज्यूम कर रहा है कि कोई ये अज्यूम कर रहा है कि ये फैन है, एलिफेंट के ईयर को होल्ड करके ये अज्यूम कर रहा है फैन है, right? Somebody is assuming it is a snake. Somebody by holding the the tail of elephant is assuming it's a rope, right? So when I say you must be having a knowledge on wide range of subjects, because you need to see the bigger picture, which is elephant. Don't assume that it is a rope when it is a tail of an elephant, because if you pull rope assuming that it is only a rope, the elephant will certainly kick you. So that is how life is. If you do not have knowledge of different range of subjects, wide range of subjects, this elephant will come from somewhere and kick you. So have knowledge of different subjects. Then strong ethics and values. So I don't think I need to emphasize on this. This is very important. Honesty, respect, ethics, integrity. This is very, very important, and companies, give a lot of importance to these things. So just a reminder, success is solution orientation, upgradation, communication, collaboration, entrepreneurial approach, smartness, strong ethics and value. Remember this, and I'm sure किसी भी field में आप, चाहे humanities, commerce, sciences, you have a safe career if you have this kind of a mindset. So, ma'am, any questions till now that I need to take?
No, sir.
Okay, perfect. So we now move to Bennett University, right? So Bennett University specific details I'll share with you now. And this statement that you read here is 100-year-old university may not prepare you for the next 10. We do. So we are initially talking about 2030 में किस तरह की jobs होंगी, क्या होगा. So we are just saying that we can prepare you for future jobs. We will prepare you for future jobs. How do we do it? Let me show you through next slides. So those of you who know Bennett University, you must be knowing कि Bennett University जो है वो initiative है Times of India Group का. Times of India Group. A lot of people believe that Times of India Group is only Times of India newspaper. No, we are much bigger than that, right? So Times of India Group is here for 180 years. The first war of independence हुआ था 1857 में. Then Times of India was 19-year-old, right? There are 50 plus leading brands in India that Times of India Group owns. Then 50 plus digital businesses across industry. 850 plus startups mentored and funded by Times of India Group. Then we have 40,000 plus advertisers and corporate network, and 16,000 plus employees, right? So this is close to $2 billion group, right? Which is in Indian currency 12,000 crore rupees. What are the companies owned by Times of India? These are the companies. You must have heard of CricBuzz. जो cricket के fans हैं उनको पता होगा CricBuzz क्या है. Then India #1 English news channel is Times Now. You must have heard of Radio Mirchi radio channel. Then Economic Times is #1 business newspaper. Then Femina, you must have heard of Femina Miss India, which happens every year. Then Times Jobs is like Naukri. If you are looking for a job, you can submit your resume in Times Job, and companies can post jobs there. Then I'm sure all of you must be having Ghana as an app in your mobile. That also belongs to Times of India. Magic Bricks is a real estate you can buy and sell property on Magic Bricks. So these are few of the companies that we have mentioned here. We have 40 plus such prominent brands, right? So this is the university leadership. We are led by Professor Raghunath Shivgaonkar, who is a former director IIT Delhi, and we have a good mix of leadership from media school, law, management, so all from prominent universities across country. Why Bennett? I showed an acronym success to you. I can tell you, if you are selected in Bennett, we take care of all these things, that we prepare you for life. And this 4 pointers that I'm sharing with you answers that. That intellectual rigor in academics, right? अगर आप studies कर रहे हो तो उसमें rigor होगा. Like for example, there are new technologies coming. If you want to study artificial intelligence, right? So there is a rigor. We have got best of the faculties teaching you, best of the pedagogy, for best teaching methods, entrepreneurial skills, कि आप एक businessman की तरह सोच सके. Life skills we mentioned about communication and solution upgradation, all those things. Industry exposure. This is very important because if you want to go for a job, you want to go for internship, industry exposure is very important. So these are the 4 pillars of Bennett University, and that is why you should consider Bennett University. What are the programs that we offer? We offer BTech, and within BTech we have computer science engineering, electronics and communication, engineering physics, mechanical engineering, and for medical students we have biotechnology, right? Biotechnology. And if you are from humanities, commerce, or even medical, non-medical student can pursue law with us, BA LLB and BBA LLB. Then we have also media programs called BA Journalism and Mass Comm, both in English and Hindi, right? Then for management students, we have BBA program with option of specialization in entrepreneurship, finance, HR, and marketing, right? So BTech, law, journalism and mass comm, and BBA, right? And quickly, those who are interested in engineering, we offer specializations in CSC called artificial intelligence. अगर आपने ये terms सुने होंगे, I'm sure. Blockchain, cyber security, data science, gaming and virtual reality. It is pretty big now. Robotics and automation, and all our faculty members who are on roles with Bennett are PhD, and PhD from top universities in India and abroad. Then we have leadership in artificial intelligence skilling also. Let me share with you कि इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा leading platform है for artificial intelligence, which is headed by our CSC head, right? Through which we have trained more than 1,000 students across country, right? 1,000 faculty members across country, and we have gone to more than 300 colleges and trained them for artificial intelligence. So this is done from Bennett University campus. Every year we get students from IIT, NIT coming to Bennett University for training in artificial intelligence. So apart from that, the culture is the research driven, experiential and interdisciplinary learning. Abhi kya hua hai, class 12 tak you have been studying a lot of theory, and theory gets boring at times because at times it doesn't add value and you are not able to understand कि हम theory पढ़ क्यों रहे हैं, right? So the focus is to make it interesting. Engineering has to be interesting. You have to solve real life problem, और वो experience से होता है. That is why research is very important. Being able to experience what you are studying is very important. Lab and practical exposure is very important, right? So we have that high-end research labs. Then you can go for major, minor. If you want to study, say, computer science with electronics, or you want to study electronic with mechanical, these are the options available. You can also go with honors, right? So we have global tie-ups also with top universities in US. Okay, so these are the key focus areas. I'll just skip this because this will be too detailed for you, right? But we are covering, all the major latest technologies. Then for School of Management, BBA. So our faculty which teaches BBA, they are basically hired for MBA teaching. So that means faculty which teaches you is the same faculty which teaches MBA. So you can certainly understand that they have the experience, exposure, qualification to teach pretty well MBA students also. So you certainly get a very good exposure when taught by these kind of faculty. Then curriculum is designed with Cornell University USA, and of course Times of India का जो network है, that is always helping BBA students when it comes to internship, placement, right? So We have entrepreneurship, finance, marketing, and operation as specializations, as I shared with you. Then we have School of Law. Like, so a lot of faculty members, rather almost all of them, have some linkage with the national law schools in the country. They have either passed out or they have been HODs there. So they will be teaching you, right, when it comes to law program. Then the
So
yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt. There is a question here. How old is the university and how many batches have passed out and how many students are there in the university?
Okay, so university started in 2016, right? And our first batch for BTech, for BBA and BA Journalism and Mass Comm is passing out this year. So our first batch is passing out this year, right? I hope I've answered that question.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Also, the question is how many students are there in the university?
Okay, so currently we have 2,500 students in campus, and all of them are selected through proper procedure. That means you need to meet certain cutoff. You need to clear entrance. So it varies from program to program. How do we do it? But then these are chosen students, around 2,500 students who are already studying in Bennett University.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So this is about law. The major differentiator is that we have, of course, separate library for law. We start our moot court within the first year. If you go to other law schools, they start it in third year. Because अगर आपने lawyer बनना है तो कोर्ट में आपको practice करना right from the first year is very important, right? In a legal field, drafting is very important. So we work on you right from the first year so that you are job ready, and by the time you reach third year, you are equal to anybody, right? Then we have Times School of Media. As you know, when it comes to Times of India, we are #1 newspaper in the world when it comes to circulation. When it comes to Economic Times, we are #1 business newspaper in India and second business newspaper as far as distribution concern in the world. Then we also have timesofindia.com, which gets 30% of internet traffic that country gets, right? So if we talk about TV, then we have Times Now, ET Now, Movies Now. These channels are there. Then we also have a production house, called Jungly Pictures. You might have seen Badhai Ho movie. This is also by Jungly Pictures, right? So when it comes to Radio Mirchi is there. So media may, if you think of anything, we are #1. Be it print, radio, advertising, PR, we are #1. So certainly this is one of the flagship programs that we have, which is BA Journalism and Mass Comm in English and Hindi, right? And when it comes to Hindi, reality is कि हमारे देश में आज भी 70% से ज़्यादा लोग हिंदी न्यूज़ सुनते हैं, हिंदी चैनल्स देखते हैं, right? So that is why this is a huge potential when it comes to BA Journalism and Mass Comm Hindi program. And the best part about this program is that this is not boring. This is 60% practical and 40% theory. 60% practical, right? So कल को आपको job करनी है 3 साल बाद, तो theory will certainly give you the foundation, but your practical exposure counts. Fine. So here also you have option to one major with honors. You can have a specialization in print journalism, television journalism. All of this you can do.
So there are a few questions here.
Yeah.
If we can take
Sure.
them.
Sure.
There's a question. Please tell more about the association with Cornell University.
Okay. See, when it comes to Cornell, Cornell has been, guiding us specifically for law programs, and what they do is that they design curriculum. They design curriculum for us, right? And their faculty also comes to Bennett University, once a year, and they conduct classes with our students for 15 days, right? So one, curriculum development, it is important that you study which is best in the world, your curriculum is updated, right? So that is one. And second, their faculty comes to Bennett University for teaching our students, and there is a credit which student get, after completing this Cornell program, right? Yeah, so more questions?
Which is a fantastic exposure for students in India.
Which is the?
Fantastic exposure for students in India to get faculty from prestigious universities like Cornell sitting in India.
Yes, yes, certainly, certainly. So that is why it gives you an edge. Somebody from Cornell, which is considered among the top, it is Ivy League university. Getting those faculty members to come and interact with our students is certainly, experience of lifetime. No doubt in that.
Sure, sir. So there's one more question. There's a student who has apparently already applied for Bennett University,
Okay,
and she says that she has an entrance examination tomorrow.
okay.
So she wants to know that by when can she get clarity on her results, or what will be the process for her to know that is she in or not.
Okay, so if you are appearing for entrance tomorrow, you will get result within 10 to 12 days, right? So if you are selected, you will get an offer letter from us within 10 to 12 days. So that is how it goes. And uh, so tomorrow, so the cycle is only about 10 days. We need 10 days to process your application. So is there more to it? Anything else she wants to ask?
Not right now.
Okay.
However, there is, I think her question is answered, and she
Mhm.
says thank you. Um, uh, there is another question saying, do students get a chance to go abroad?
For certain programs, yes. For BTech, students can go abroad. Uh, then for BBA, we are in, talks to with certain universities in US, which is yet to be finalized. We are working on that, but can't really commit as of now. By the time they join in, we'll have certain collaborations. But for BTech, yes, students can go abroad to Georgia Tech, which is among top 5 universities in US for engineering and top 10 in world for engineering. So students can go there, but certainly you have to meet their cutoff. They have certain CGPA criteria. Only then they'll pick you for exchange. So last time, recently we had 31 students who went to Georgia Tech, right? So we are working on
Okay.
other collaborations also. Then all our students can go to Babson. Now Babson, what is Babson? Babson is world #1 entrepreneurship college. So all our students have an option to go to Babson, be it you are from a law program, you are from journalism, you can go to Babson. It is for 45 days that you have an option to go to Babson USA. It is purely for entrepreneurship, right? So
Okay.
that is there.
Uh, to this, there is a question, sir, that do these students who get a chance to study abroad, do they go for a semester or for a full year? And if they go, and in which year of their graduation do they get to go?
Okay, so let me clarify this to everybody. If you go for a semester exchange or if you go for an year to a foreign university, UGC doesn't recognize that. So wherever you go, any university in India, and going for an exchange program, UGC doesn't recognize 6 month or 1 year. So the as per the UGC regulations, certainly with Bennett University, you can go abroad, but the maximum duration is 45 days. 45 days as of now. It cannot be more than 45 days, and we have to abide by UGC regulations for that, right? So there is no option of a semester exchange or an year exchange, right? And it happens in at the end of every year. So at the end of every year, we'll give you options to go abroad. You can go and do internships there. So like students also went to University of Nebraska Omaha, right? So uh, at the end of every year, you will have an option to go abroad.
Oh, okay. So there's one more question. What exactly are the options available for students studying PCM in Bennett University and otherwise?
Students studying PCM, what are the options? Okay. For students studying PCM, let me come back to this slide. I hope all of you can see this. You can pursue computer science engineering with us. You can go for EC, electronics and communication. You can go for mechanical, and you can pursue engineering physics program, right? So these are the options that you have if you are a PCM student. Now, adding to something which is very important, and PCM students should be knowing this, that these days, only doing a particular specialization is not enough. Now, let me share an example. Few years back, if somebody wanted to do you wanted to make a career in, say, cars, automobiles, right? The branch was mechanical engineering or automobile engineering. Few years back, say 10 or 12 years back. Now, what has happened now? These cars are getting driverless. So without driver, these cars will be running. Now, initially, you had to do mechanical engineering or an automobile engineering to make a career in cars. But now, since this car is getting driverless, there are a lot of different things which are happening. Like, for example, within this car, driverless car, we have artificial intelligence, right? Within this car, we have complicated electronic circuits. So that means something to do with electronics. Artificial intelligence is a part of computer science. So complicated electronic circuit, part of electronics. Then apart from that, the car should look beautiful. That means you should be good in designing. Then car is connected with GPS. That means you should be having knowledge of geographic information systems, right? So there is, of course, engine working. That means you should be having a knowledge of mechanical. So these days, education is not only in isolation. If you are studying mechanical, if you want to make a career in cars, you should be studying CSC, EC in combination, right? And that is why having majors and minors is very important. If you're a PCM student, currently, and you come to Bennett University, you get selected here, you can study CSC with ME. You can pick subjects as per your choice, right? If you're an ME mechanical student, you can pick artificial intelligence as one of your subjects. You can pick a couple of subjects from EC. It's completely up to you. So education is like a buffet these days. You go to a restaurant, you pick your subjects as per your choice, right? So this is the best part when it comes to Bennett University, that you can pick subjects as per your choice, right? So did I answer that question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So more questions?
I think we'll continue and then we will take more questions. Audience, we have a couple of questions as well, but I think let's continue and not break the order of the webinar,
Okay.
and we will come back to your questions which we've not answered yet.
Sure. So then international partners, as somebody was also asking, I mentioned Babson, I mentioned Cornell University, then Florida International University. It is important for you to know this, that all our mechanical students have an option to get a direct admission with Florida International University. So if you get a particular CGPA, which is 7.5 with the mechanical program BTech with us, you can directly go to Florida International University. You don't need to appear for any entrance test, right? So what you need to appear for is only an English proficiency school, test, which is IELTS. IELTS, you can just appear for IELTS and you can go to Florida International. So this is a exclusive collaboration that we have with Florida. And apart from that, the fee that they charge our students is similar to what they charge American students and not international students. So this is a huge edge, right? And as I mentioned, Georgia Tech, we have collaboration with them. Then University of Nebraska, Omaha, I also shared that with you. Then University of South Florida. Now, these are the partnerships, and these partnerships, what is the scope of this partnership? You must know. Then, as I said, curriculum design. So they help in designing the curriculum so that it is updated and it is, as per the global best practices. Then, as I said, visiting faculty from partner universities, they come and teach here. Then we do joint research with them. And then summer projects for student, as I mentioned in case of Babson, Georgia Tech. So for each program, we could have one or all four kind of collaborations, right? Then moving on to Bennett Hatchery. So I mentioned that entrepreneurship is going to be very, very important in times to come. And for that, we have something called Bennett Hatchery within the campus. So this means that if you have some idea, आपके पास कोई business idea है, come to Bennett Hatchery on 3rd floor, in university. There we have, experts sitting who will guide you ki whether your idea is great, whether your idea is good, average, not to be pursued, right? So they will help you, improve your idea wherever it is possible. And if it is good, ensuring that you get funding, because कोई भी idea incomplete होता है अगर उसको funding नहीं मिलती, right? So that happens in Bennett Hatchery, and I'm happy to share with you that our two students within 3.5 years of university, our two student startups have got an external funding of $3 million, US $3 million. Two startups are already, doing great. And further, there are, 70 different ideas on which 300 students are already working. And we hope that, another 5 to 6, we'll be having good startups coming within the next 6 months. They'll be also getting funding from us. So when it comes to entrepreneurship, we have a real focus. Right? So this Bennett Hatchery takes care of that. Then industry engagement, as I mentioned, very important. So we keep inviting industry people to, to campus. Sitting in Delhi NCR, you have that advantage because a lot of companies are in Delhi NCR. But I want to share with you, out of top 500 companies in world, which we call Fortune 500, 300 plus have the regional offices in Delhi NCR. So that gives us, sitting in Delhi, in Noida, gives us a huge edge that we can always get CEOs, the CXOs of the companies to come and talk to the students, right? So we have, dedicated placement cell, dedicated internship cell, which ensures that you get internship and placement at the different, the timelines for different programs. So, of course, as I mentioned, leadingindia.ai, we are thought leaders in artificial intelligence. So industry engagement happens, quite regularly when it comes to Bennett University. So these are the key recruiters at Bennett, the companies who have visited this year, right? So the maximum package was 44 lakhs per annum by Microsoft. Then these are the companies who visited campus: Cvent, Byju's, Capgemini, Cognizant, Microsoft, KPMG, NIIT. So these are the companies, and the list is exhaustive. It is much bigger than that. So we had close to 100 companies visiting campus this year. And to share with you, the average package was 6 lakh or something, and the highest was 44 lakhs. Research at Bennett,
So
very important because, yeah, okay.
So there are a few questions on internships and placements.
Yes.
One, what is the placement record for BTech students? I think you've already answered with the figures.
Yes.
And there is another question. Does the university help in getting internships and placements for the students, or do they have to arrange on their own?
No. So certainly we have a dedicated career services cell with us, whose prime responsibility and the main responsibility is to arrange internship and placement for you, right? So it is not that you yourself have to do it. No. So there is a dedicated group, and they ensure that as and when your internship is due, they'll take care of it. So they have their calendar, and when the university started, they were there 6 months before the university started. So that is our responsibility to bring companies for internship and placement, right?
Another question is, will BA journalism and mass communication help me in digital marketing and advertising?
It certainly helps. See, BA journalism and mass comm will prepare you to write a good content, possibly. To because when you do BA journalism and mass comm like program, you know how to present it in front of large group of people. Mass communication means that you are talking to thousands and lakhs of people in one go. So if you have digital marketing skills coupled with good communication or maybe the PR skills, which you get through this kind of a program, it's a deadly combination, right? So these days it works wonders if you have these skills, because you might create a great video, you might create a good video through your mobile, you might really write a good content, but it is important that people read it, and for people to read it, you must be a good digital marketeer also. So it's a deadly combination, no doubt to that.
Okay. One more question, sir. How do you see Corona or the current situation impacting the placements?
No, see, the good thing is it has not impacted any of our students who have been placed till now. There are few cases which we have heard that in IITs there are few rollbacks which have happened, but luckily, thankfully, with Bennett it has not happened, and no offer has been pulled back yet. Yes. So no impact as such. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So coming to this research at Bennett, are we on time or we are
Yes, sir.
delayed?
So we have time. We have time.
Okay. So research at Bennett, we have, when it comes to labs, we have 11 dedicated research labs with top companies like Dell, NVIDIA, Amazon. And I'll just not mention here that we were the first university in country to ship artificial intelligence supercomputer to India. The first university in country to get AI supercomputer to India, right? So,
Yeah.
and the IITs, then the second one was one IIT, right? And then we have now 15, 16 universities who have got it now, but we were the first one. And this was through NVIDIA. So this is a top company, you can search for it. And then coming to research, we have already got 300 plus publications for a new university like this. This is momentous. Then we already have 10 crore plus research and consultancy grants, which has been given to the university. So a lot of students might not be knowing what is the relevance of research. Research is a very important thing for university because, as I shared with you, 100% faculty being PhD. For a PhD faculty, research is very important. They will leave your university if you don't let them do research, right? So it is a very important for university to do research. And what is the possible way that university can earn income? Universities need to earn income, right? So how do we earn income? We earn income through fee that we collect. We earn income through research, right? So that is another, way through which universities earn income. So this is a very good figure for a new university, which is 10 crore plus already. And if you see a lot of top brands in country, go to their website and check what is the research income. You'll see it is in 1,000 rupees, 50,000 last year, 60,000. It is pretty less. So it is pretty good number for a new university, and this is going strong. It is getting better, and we already have 70 plus PhD students and research scholars already studying with us. So that is why this number will keep increasing because our focus is on research. Creating impact, leadingindia.ai. I think I mentioned that this is a platform through which we have already trained a lot of universities, colleges. We have trained. Go to this website called leadingindia.ai, and you will get a lot of details there. So a lot of students from IIT, NIT have appreciated us. Why they come here? As I said, we have faculty which is trained in artificial intelligence, and of course we have AI supercomputer, the first university in India to have AI supercomputer. So that is a major differentiator, and the benefit certainly comes to our students. So important, ठीक है, education बहुत important है. I've shared all about education, foreign collaborations, hatchery, but campus life कैसी है? That is most important. So we have a great sports complex with swimming pool, gym, basketball courts, snooker, pool table, whatever whatever we require for a happy life in campus. Then we had Sadhguru coming to campus. We keep doing these kind of events. So we had Ayushman Khurrana coming to campus. We had a lot of celebrities. The sports person keep coming to campus. So thanks to Times of India Connect, this comes naturally to us. Getting these kind of celebrities, interacting with students is a experience of lifetime. Why we bring them? Because it is not for entertainment. It is certainly because when you talk to these kind of celebrities, you get to know, you get inspired, and I mentioned something like life skills, communication skills. This is how you build your life skills when you have a vibrant campus life. Then we have our annual functions happening. Every department conducts their own annual function. So it's pretty good, pretty good. And then we have certain student clubs in society. If you want to dance, if you are really passionate about music, if you want to go into social work, if you are passionate about robotics, you are into tracking, there are a lot of clubs. There are 20 plus clubs that you can join. And if you have a different idea apart from what we are already doing, you can certainly start a club. The university funds you for that. But then there should be takers for those clubs, right? It is not the only one student says that I want to start a club and he's the only one running the club. There is nobody else. So you can also come and start the club if there is something missing here. Then facilities in the campus, yes, all rooms are AC campus. Then we have 2 dining halls with multi-cuisine Let me tell you, we are only veg campus. We don't offer non-veg. Yes, we offer eggs. Then there is ATM. We have utility stores. You can buy things there. Tuck shop, salon. So medical facilities there with ambulance 24 hours. Then indoor sports complex, as I already mentioned. Then lawn tennis courts, football ground, table tennis. Then exhaustive libraries. 2 libraries are there. Reading rooms are there, right? So I'm sure, because currently the campus is closed due to COVID, as and when it opens, I'll request all of you to come and visit campus once. So this is the admission process. Ma'am, do you want me to touch this?
Yes, sir. I think most of the students will be interested to understand the admission process. So if you could just run through quickly. And if there are any specific questions on the admission processes or fee structure or scholarship, please feel free to ask. There is a question here. Are there any programs available in psychology?
Psychology, nothing as of now. Nothing as of now. So we might introduce liberal arts next year. Let's see. But as of now, no psychology specialization kind of a program. Nothing as of now. So do we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so coming to admission process. So as I shared, BTech, these are the specializations. Now for you to get admission with us, there are 3 ways that you can get admission with us in BTech: CS, EC, EP, and mechanical, which is PCM. So either through your JEE main scores, be it Jan 2020 or April 2020, or your class 12th score, and we consider physics and maths as the mandatory subject. Third subject could be chemistry or computer science. And third criteria is through SAT examination, which is conducted by College Board. Yeah, or if you are an IB student, then your IB score will do. So this is the criteria through which you can get admission with us. There is a cutoff for every criteria, like there is a cutoff for JEE Main, there is cutoff for class 12. So what you need to do is to apply, right? And if you have JEE Main January score, submit it. If you meet our cutoff, you will get the offer. Our fee structure is 3.5 lakh per annum, right? And this is a 4-year program, BTech, so 3.4 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 4. So that is the fee structure. For BBA program, you can get admission with us, through class 12th or through SAT score or at IB diploma program. So any of these will do. And again, we have a merit in these, be it class 12th or SAT. So we come out with our merits. But you must have minimum 60% marks in class 12th. Similar for BTech also. And the fee structure is 2.5 lakh per annum.
So there is a question from a student saying that he's not given JEE examination till now, and considering that the April JEE has been postponed, does not have the score. Also, he's not appeared for SAT, and the class 12th result is not available. So,
Yes.
So what would be the process for him?
So do one thing, apply, number one. And since class 12th exams are getting delayed, the result will certainly be delayed. We are exploring an option to find an alternative to select you, maybe an interview or an entrance test. So we are exploring that. Nothing is finalized. So let's see. I can't really commit, but I'll suggest fill the application, and maybe after that, maybe within a week or 10 days, we might decide an alternative for this. Right? Okay. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So next program is BA LLB and BBA LLB. This is a 5-year program, and how we admit is through CLAT score. This is a common law admission test which students need to appear, and we look at CLAT scores. Then we also accept LSAT score or through class 12th. So 20% seats approximately are filled through class 12th, but majorly seats are filled through CLAT. So CLAT is important, and you must have minimum 60% in class 12th, right? So I'm sure all of you must be getting 60%. And the annual fee is 3 lakh per annum. Then for BA Journalism and Mass Comm, what we are looking at is we are conducting entrance test, as somebody also mentioned recently, few minutes back. So you need to appear for an entrance test. We are looking at your language proficiency only, right? Your language proficiency is important. We are not really bothered whether you got 90% marks in class 12. But if you can speak well, write well, you can communicate well, you are the candidate. So BA Journalism and Mass Comm, be it English or Hindi, we are looking at your language skills. Fine. But you must pass class 12. It is not that if you miss class 12 and then we'll select you. No, it is not that, right? So the fee for English program is 2.95 lakh per annum, and for Hindi program it is 2.5 lakh per annum. And we also have very attractive scholarship for student, right? So we offered 100% scholarship to 50 students last year, and 125 students got 50% scholarship. 700 students with us received scholarship last year, which is to the tune of 7.35 crore. So I can tell you, we admitted close to 1200 students last year in all programs. 700 received scholarship, which is more than 55%. So every second student in university studies with scholarship.
And so, what are the criteria for scholarships?
I'll come to that. I have a slide. Yeah, I'll have a slide. I have a slide. I'll share that with you. Okay. So let me come to scholarship first. So BTech, if you get 80% in 3 subjects, that is physics, maths plus third subject, chemistry or computer science, 80% you get 10% scholarship. 87 to 97% you get 25% scholarship. 50% scholarship you get if you get 97 to 99.5%. And you get 99.5% and above, you get 100% scholarship. So there are limited scholarship. Look at this. There are number of scholarship written. For 10% band, there are 160 scholarship. So this is all available on website. And if you have a JEE main score of 75 and above, you can get scholarship with us, right? And if you have a SAT score of 1250, you can get scholarship with us. If you have an IB score of 32, you can get scholarship with us, right? So IB and SAT is common for BTech, BBA, BAG, MC, right? And 80% is minimum for CBSE for you to get a scholarship with us. Fine. Then for law, on the basis of your CLAT rank, you'll get scholarship. So that means up to 24,000 rank, if you can get 10% scholarship with us. Or class 12, 80%, you can get 10% scholarship with us. Right? So IB scores remain the same, 32. And LSAT India percentile, which is 60 percentile, you will get scholarship with us. And then English, Hindi, BA Journalism and Mass Comm, again, 80% is, if you get 80%, you get 10% scholarship with us.
Okay.
Right? And if you get 60%, when it comes to Hindi, it is very attractive. If you get 60% in class 12th, you get 10% scholarship in Hindi program, PA, GMC, Hindi. Right? So those who want to make a career in Hindi, this is a great option for you. So fine, I have covered this. Key statistics. More than 90% faculty has PhD from globally acclaimed institution. The faculty student ratio is 1:16. I mentioned already, these statistics more or less. 9 lakh square feet of built up area and 2,500 students on campus already from almost all the states, right? So any more questions? I'm open to them.
Yes, sir, there are a few questions. There is one question on scholarship again. Is the scholarship mentioned only for first year or for all the years?
Okay, good question. So see, scholarship is there for first year for sure if you get a certain percentage. It can continue for second year, third year, fourth year also, subject to you meeting 3 criteria. And the 3 criteria are, number 1, you must be having 8 CGPA. 8 CGPA, in first and second semester, that continues for second year. You get it in third and fourth semester, it continues for third year. You get it in fifth and sixth, it continues for fourth year. Right? So number 1, CGPA. Number 2 is no disciplinary action. So there should not be any instance where you have maybe created some nuisance in campus. Right? Second and third is your attendance, which is 75%. So if you meet these 3 criteria, this scholarship will continue, right, for rest of the years also. Fine.
Okay, I think that answers the question very nicely. Any other questions, audience, that you want to ask? I'll just quickly run through all the questions, sir, so that I haven't missed any questions asked by the audience.
Okay.
No, I think we've answered all the questions asked till now. Okay, so the student who had earlier asked the question that she has an entrance test tomorrow, asked, is there a way that I can get the result a little early? Which I think she's quite anxious and eager to join.
No, it takes 9 to 10 days. Let me be very frank, and I cannot really because if you appear for exam, we need time to assess those exams. There is a checking time, faculty needs to, and then there is a processing time. Registrar office needs to process that. So minimum 9 to 10 days, right? So if you are good, nothing to worry. If you are good in your language skills, nothing to worry. You'll pass it, right? Nothing to worry.
Okay, great. So I think that answers all our questions specifically asked. Okay, so thank you, sir, so much for joining us and sharing your valuable time with us.
My pleasure.
I want to notify the attendees here that the video of this webinar will be available on our YouTube channel, and we will shortly share the link for all the webinars that we've been doing, and you can if you want to revisit any particular point, you can please feel free to visit our YouTube channel and subscribe and revisit the webinar. We're soon coming up with more webinars. So the webinar on Monday that we have is with Indian School of Hospitality. I would request all participants who are keen on understanding careers in hospitality to join us on Monday at 5 p.m. Thank you once again, sir. And if there are any specific questions, I would surely make sure that we make them reach to you so that we can get the questions answered.
Can we have a final poll, ma'am,
Yes,
when it comes to the feedback?
Yes, sir, surely. So we have a quick poll coming in right now. So the poll is, was the session helpful to you? And I'm launching the poll. So we would request our audience to quickly vote on the webinar. Okay, so majority of the audience has already answered. I would request the rest of the audience to also quickly participate and answer the poll. We are soon closing the poll. Okay, closing now. Thank you.
Right.
So the answer is yes. It's 100% yes.
Good to know. Good to know.
And
thank you, students. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. And
thank you.
I wish you all the best.
Sir. And for the knowledge of the students, I've also shared a handout for each of you, which has the link for filling up the forms. Those of you who are interested in filling up the forms, admission forms for Bennett Universities, please visit the link, and you'll get more information, and you can fill up the forms through the link. Also, there is a small survey attached at the end of the webinar, and we would be happy to get your views on the webinar or the more ones that we want to plan. Thank you so much. Thank you once again, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.